Alright, so we have install date on the hot water heater, the source 8/11/21. Don't know if you guys can subrogate against that. Homeowner cleaned up most of the side, but there's still some standing water. Gonna dry out. Shelving. Contents. Some cleanup. More contents. Raised washer dryer. The gap out back here. Insulated walls in the finish section. Carpet and pad affected. I'm gonna pull trim all the way around to try and dry this drywall in place. And we'll talk to IT about what they want to do with the pad. I'm sure did a good job cleaning up most of the contents down here.